This year has seen some truly next-gen releases, from NVIDIA's jaw-dropping RTX 5090 to AMD's powerhouse RX 7900 XT. Whether you're a competitive gamer, 3D artist, or someone who just wants the best visuals money can buy, we've got you covered. Number 1. MSI Gaming RTX 5090. If you're looking for the absolute bleeding edge and budget is no concern, the MSI RTX 5090 Vanguard SoC is in a class of its own. Featuring NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture, a massive 32 GB of GDDR7 memory, and a 512-bit memory interface, this card is designed to handle anything you throw at it today and well into the future. Pros: unmatched performance, future-proof specs, incredible for 4K, 8K gaming and content creation. Cons: extremely expensive, likely high power consumption, may require a system overhaul to fully utilize. Who's it for? Enthusiasts, hardcore gamers, and professionals who demand the best of the best and want to be at the forefront of graphics technology. Number 2. ZOTAC Gaming RTX 4080 Super. The ZOTAC RTX 4080 Super delivers exceptional high-end performance without quite hitting the stratospheric price of the top-tier cards. It's a fantastic choice for 4K gaming, and NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology provides a significant boost to frame rates in supported titles. Pros: excellent 4K performance. DLSS 3 more power efficient than previous generations. Cons: still a high-end price, ray tracing performance is very good, but not the absolute best. Who's it for? Gamers who want top-tier 4K performance and the benefits of DLSS 3 without the ultra-high price tag. Number 3. MSI Gaming RX 7900 XT. AMD's Radeon RX 7900 XT is a strong contender, particularly for gamers who prioritize rasterization performance. This card delivers excellent frame rates in many titles, and its 20 GB of VRAM is a plus. Pros: strong rasterization performance, good VRAM capacity, competitive pricing. Cons: ray tracing performance trails behind NVIDIA, FSR, AMD's DLSS equivalent isn't as mature. Who's it for? Gamers who play a variety of titles, especially those where ray tracing isn't a primary focus, and who want great performance for the price. Number 4. MSI Gaming RTX 3090. While it's from the previous generation, the RTX 3090 remains a powerful card. Its 24 GB of VRAM makes it a solid choice for both gaming and content creation. Pros: very good performance, large VRAM capacity. Cons: older architecture, less power efficient, lacks DLSS 3. Who's it for? Gamers and creators who can find it at a good price and need a lot of VRAM. Number 5. ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4070 Ti. The ASUS RTX 4070 Ti offers a great balance of performance and price. It delivers excellent 1440p performance and can handle 4K in many games, and it includes DLSS 3. Pros: excellent 1440p and good 4K performance. DLSS 3, good power efficiency. Cons: 12 GB of VRAM may become a limiting factor in the future. Who's it for? Gamers who want a high-end experience without paying top-tier prices.